In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sort things in a column Google Sheets. Let's begin. So if you have a table in your spreadsheet and you want to sort everything out alphabetically, you're simply going to select one of the cells within the table. Then you're going to go to the Data tab at the top and select Sort Sheet, then sort sheet by column B, A to Z, or Z to A. So I'm going to select A to Z. Then what you'll notice is that the whole table is going to change. So since we sorted everything from A to Z, everything else is going to correspond and follow with it from A to Z, because the other rows are going to follow the first rows that change or move. But let's say that we want to only change or sort a specific column instead of the whole table. So what you're going to do is you are going to highlight the entire column, then go to the top, select Data, then select the second option which says Sort Range from A to Z or Z to A. I'm going to say from Z to A. Then what you notice is that the entire column is going to change from Z to A, and the other data within the table is not going to move at all. And it's that simple. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.